Andrea Corr is an Irish singer, songwriter, musician, author and actress. He was born on May 17, 1974 in Dundalk, Ireland. He was born to Gerry Corr, a manager of the payroll department of the Irish Electricity Supply Board, and his wife Jane, a housewife. She is the youngest of the 5 Corr children. The family was raised in Dundalk, Ireland. Gerry and Jane had their own brand, Sound Affair, which played songs by ABBA and the Eagles in local pubs in Dundalk, where they would often bring along their children. Corr married Brett Desmond on August 21, 2009. Sharon Corr and Caroline Corr sung No Frontiers at the wedding, and Damien Dempsey, Shannon, Seamus Bigley, and Corr herself also performed on stage in the church. In November 2011, Corr's pregnancy was announced. Corr gave birth to daughter Jane and son Brett Jr. Corr is involved in charitable activities. She has played charity concerts to raise money for the Pavarotti and Friends Liberian Children's Village, Freeman Hospital in Newcastle upon Tyne, England, the victims of the Omagh bombing in Northern Ireland, and the Princess Trust in 2004. Corr has released 6 studio albums, 2 compilation albums, 1 remix album, and 2 live albums. Corr has also pursued a solo career, releasing her debut album, 10 Feet High, in 2007. The album moved away from the sound of the Corrs and features a dance pop sound. Her next album, released on 30 May 2011, was entirely made up of covers of songs that were important to her when younger. Corr resumed her acting career in 2003, where she was cast as Anne in The Boys from County Clare. The film was not a commercial success, but she won the Film Discovery Jury Award for Best Actress in the US Comedy Arts Festival and was nominated for Best Actress in the IFTA Awards. During the Corrs hiatus, she was featured in the 2005 film The Bridge and the 2006 film Broken Thread. Corr appeared as Christina in the play Dancing at Loch Nessa, staged at the Old Vic Theatre in London from February until May 2009. In 1996, Parker was directing the film version of the rock opera Evita, which starred Madonna. He was so keen on having Andrea in the film that he cast her as One Parent's Mistress, where she performed part of Hello and Goodbye. She released her first album, 10 Feet High, on 25 June 2007. It was produced by Nelly Hooper, who has worked with Gwen Stefani and Madonna. Bono was an executive producer. Her first single, Shame on You, was an up-tempo pop song about men and women going to war and leaving behind partners they may never see again. In 2003, Andrea recorded Time Enough for Tears, a song written by Bono and Gavin Friday for the film In America. This track was featured on the Corrs' 2004 album, Borrowed Heaven.